In a world where innovation and passion fuel the automotive industry, there's one company that has been driving India's motorcycle revolution and establishing its legacy on global roads: Eicher Motors. From the iconic Royal Enfield motorcycles to heavy-duty trucks and buses, this company is making waves in multiple sectors. But how exactly does Eicher Motors make money? What's behind its incredible growth? Let's take a journey into the world of Eicher Motors and break down its unique business model that's putting it on the map, not just in India, but across the globe. The story of Eicher Motors begins with its flagship brand, Royal Enfield, the iconic motorcycle brand that's a symbol of ruggedness and adventure. Royal Enfield isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. The brand built its reputation on the idea of powerful, vintage-style bikes that appeal to enthusiasts who aren't just looking for transportation, but an experience. So how does Eicher make money from Royal Enfield? Eicher Motors manufactures and sells premium motorcycles under the Royal Enfield brand, with a range that includes everything from classic cruisers to modern adventure bikes. And it's not just about selling bikes in India. Royal Enfield has been expanding its reach globally, tapping into markets in Europe, the US, and even Latin America. The company makes money by selling these bikes, which come with a premium price tag. But the secret to Royal Enfield's success isn't just in the bikes. It's in the brand loyalty and community it has created. With a strong fan base, riding clubs, and events like the Himalayan Odyssey, Royal Enfield has built a world-class ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more, whether it's for accessories, customizations, or even a second bike. Royal Enfield is one of the few Indian brands to make a significant mark in developed markets. In the UK, US, and Europe, the brand has experienced exponential growth, tapping into a market that's hungry for classic-styled, mid-sized motorcycles. It's like a love affair between the old-school charm of Royal Enfield and the modern-day demand for retro design, and it's turning out to be a goldmine for Eicher Motors. The key to Eicher's global strategy lies in its ability to offer bikes that combine heritage with performance. These bikes offer a compelling option for riders who want something different from the mass-produced motorcycles of other global brands. But Eicher Motors isn't just about motorcycles. The company also operates in the commercial vehicle space through Eicher trucks and buses, a segment that has been growing steadily over the years. Eicher Trucks and Buses focuses on providing light to medium-duty trucks, buses, and vans. These vehicles cater to a wide range of industries, from logistics to construction to public transport. Another powerful element of Eicher's business model is its partnerships and strategic investments. In 2008, Eicher Motors entered into a joint venture with Volvo, a global leader in heavy-duty vehicles. The Volvo-Eicher commercial vehicles of V partnership has allowed Eicher to strengthen its position in the commercial vehicle market by gaining access to advanced technology, engineering expertise, and global supply chains. Now, here's the thing about Eicher's business model. It's not just about selling bikes or trucks. A big chunk of revenue also comes from its aftermarket services. For Royal Enfield owners, it's not just about buying a bike and leaving, it's about becoming part of a community. This means Eicher makes money through after-sales services like maintenance, accessories, customizations, and even riding gear. The company has an extensive network of service centers, ensuring that riders get the full Royal Enfield experience every time they hit the road. The aftermarket services for commercial vehicles, like routine maintenance, parts replacement, and servicing, add another revenue stream for Eicher, building customer loyalty and ensuring repeat business. But Eicher Motors isn't just sitting back and enjoying its success. The company is constantly pushing the envelope, innovating for the future. With the rise of electric vehicles, Eicher has begun exploring electric motorcycles and electric commercial vehicles. As more countries push for cleaner, greener transportation, Eicher is investing in sustainable technologies to stay ahead of the curve. This innovation will help ensure that Eicher Motors continues to generate money, not just by selling traditional vehicles, but by embracing the future of mobility and sustainability. It highlights the diverse revenue streams from Royal Enfield's premium motorcycles to Eicher's commercial vehicles, and integrates their strategies for global expansion, partnerships, and innovation. Investing in Eicher Motors can be an attractive opportunity, especially with its strong brand presence in the motorcycle and commercial vehicle markets. However, like any investment, there are both advantages and disadvantages to consider. Let's break them down. Advantages of investing in Eicher Motors. 1. Strong brand and market leadership. Eicher Motors owns the iconic Royal Enfield brand, which is a leader in the premium motorcycle segment, especially in India and several international markets. Royal Enfield has a loyal customer base, making it a strong, well-established brand in the industry. The brand's heritage and reputation for ruggedness adds significant value. 2. Diversified revenue streams. Eicher Motors operates in both motorcycles, Royal Enfield, and commercial vehicles, Eicher trucks and buses. This diversification reduces the risk of dependency on one sector. While Royal Enfield has a strong following in the consumer segment, Eicher trucks and buses provide stable income through contracts and sales to commercial clients. 3. Global expansion. Royal Enfield is not just thriving in India, but has also been expanding globally, especially in markets like Europe, the US, and Southeast Asia. The growing demand for mid-size retro-style motorcycles presents a significant growth opportunity, further boosting the potential for Eicher Motors to scale. Strong financial performance. Over the years, Eicher Motors has demonstrated a robust financial track record with consistent revenue growth and profitability, driven by the strong demand for Royal Enfield motorcycles and commercial vehicles. This strong financial foundation makes the company an attractive choice for long-term investors. 5. Strategic partnerships. The Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles, VECV, joint venture has helped Eicher strengthen its presence in the commercial vehicle sector. Access to Volvo's technology and global expertise has significantly improved Eicher's competitive edge, positioning it to capture a larger market share in India and overseas. 6th, innovation and sustainability. Eicher is investing in electric vehicles, EVs, and sustainable mobility solutions, especially in the growing electric motorcycle and electric commercial vehicle markets. This focus on innovation and eco-friendly technologies is essential for staying ahead in the rapidly evolving automotive industry. Disadvantages of investing in Eicher Motors. 1. Dependence on Royal Enfield's performance. While Eicher Motors is diversified, Royal Enfield accounts for a substantial portion of its revenues. A slowdown in motorcycle sales, whether due to market saturation, regulatory challenges, or changing consumer preferences, could significantly affect the company's financial performance. This heavy reliance on one brand creates a concentration risk. 2. Competition in the motorcycle segment. The premium motorcycle market is highly competitive, with numerous players like Honda, Harley-Davidson, Triumph, and local Indian brands like Bajaj and TVS offering similar products. Any misstep in innovation, marketing, or pricing strategy could lead to a loss of market share for Royal Enfield, impacting investor returns. 3rd, economic sensitivity. Like most automotive companies, Eicher Motors is vulnerable to economic cycles. During periods of economic downturn or low consumer confidence, both the premium motorcycle and commercial vehicle markets may see reduced demand. This could negatively affect the company's profitability, especially in the commercial vehicle segment, which is more tied to economic activity and infrastructure development. 4th, regulatory and environmental risks. The automotive industry is heavily regulated, and environmental policies are tightening globally. If Eicher Motors doesn't adapt quickly enough to stringent emission norms, safety standards, or electric vehicle regulations, it could face increased operational costs or delays in product launches. 5. Supply chain issues. Eicher Motors relies on a complex global supply chain for components and raw materials. Supply chain disruptions, whether due to geopolitical tensions, trade restrictions, or pandemics, could negatively impact manufacturing timelines and cost structures. Any such disruptions could lead to delays in production, reduced vehicle deliveries, and loss of revenue. 6. Slow growth in emerging markets. Although Eicher is expanding into global markets, some regions may have slow adoption rates for premium motorcycles due to pricing challenges, local competition, or cultural preferences. For instance, Some emerging markets may have a stronger inclination toward more affordable motorcycles, which could limit Royal Enfield's growth in those regions. Conclusion: should you invest in Eicher Motors? Eicher Motors presents an appealing investment opportunity for those looking to bet on premium motorcycles and commercial vehicles, especially given its strong brand, Royal Enfield, global expansion plans, and innovation in electric vehicles. The company's diversified business model and partnerships, e.g. Volvo, provide a balanced approach to growth. However, there are risks associated with over-reliance on Royal Enfield, market competition, and external factors like economic cycles and regulatory changes. Therefore, potential investors should evaluate their risk appetite, keeping in mind that while Eicher Motors offers solid growth prospects, there are also challenges that could impact performance in the short to medium term. As always, it's essential to do thorough research and consider how Eicher fits within your overall investment strategy before making any decisions. So there you have it, the business model of Eicher Motors. From the iconic Royal Enfield motorcycles to heavy-duty commercial vehicles, Eicher makes money through a diversified model that combines premium product sales, global expansion, aftermarket services, strategic partnerships, and continuous innovation. With a focus on performance, reliability, and sustainability, Eicher Motors is riding into the future, building not just vehicles, but a legacy. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Eicher Motors' business model, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the world of business. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.